It's Justin Hawk Smith, man, with you two when you're in London, Kentucky. Woo! Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Justin Hawk Smith channel. In today's video, we're gonna be putting some new headlights in the Jeep JK. These projector headlights from LED Factory Mart, I think is what it's called. I'll have them linked in the description box down below where you can pick these up, but these have like a DRL feature. These are a projector housing, but they're kind of like a JL style, so they kind of look like the JLs. I love this split. It's not like a white. I've had some companies reach out, and I mean, I'll do videos for you guys on about anything. So I've had some companies reach out. I've got another set of Jeep headlights right here. So we'll be doing another video on these. These have matching fog lights. But in this video, we're gonna be trying these out. So we're gonna be trying a few different headlights out on the Jeep, and then we'll, run whichever one is our favorite. So these are plug and play. They come with an adapter. So one will go to the parking lot power wire. The other will go to the turn signal like flasher wire. As you can tell, we've been having some fun on some trails with the Jeep. It's what it's made for. We've been having an absolute blast with it. We've been loving it. This is super easy to pull this grill off. That's what we're gonna do next. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 push clips, and then the grill literally pops out. And you've got 4 T15 Torx bits that hold the headlights in. So we will also have to tap into the wires down there on the turn signal, and then like I said, the rest will be plug and play. And then we're gonna have to realign the headlight housing. So I think we have to do that with the grill off. What I've decided to do is the yellow wire, whenever it receives power, these halos are orange. I don't want to run the yellow wire to the flasher wire and do turn signals. So the orange, I pretty much just sacrificed it. We're not gonna run orange. I don't really like orange, me personally. So I folded this wire over and just electrical tape the connector right there, just so it's out of the way. So now what we have is a white wire and a white wire. Whenever those two white wires receive power, these halos turn white. That is what I want, because what we have here on the Jeep is, on the Jeep JK, the turn signal is actually these two bottom lights. Yes, you could disconnect one of these wires and run it to the orange wire, and you could disable these as turn signals, and these would just pretty much be parking lights, or you could just delete them altogether. It's kind of whatever you wanted to do. My thought process behind not doing the switchback halos is whenever vehicles are head on and the headlights are on at nighttime, the projector headlights are going to be pretty bright and blinding, I'm sure. So they wouldn't really be looking directly at the headlights to see that turn signal. So I would rather have the turn signal just blinking down here, kind of like how Jeep designed it, and just have some white halos that I could run. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this white wire, and it comes already with 2 ends on it, and these are wide enough or long enough to reach both headlights at the same time. So one will plug into one headlight over here, and this other one will plug into the other headlight over here. It's plug and play. And then this wire right here, just one wire, these are made together right there. This will go to the parking lot wire. This will go to a constant parking lot wire right down here. So like I said, I've already pulled this wire loom back, and we are going to be figuring out which one of these is the ground, the constant power, and the flasher wire. If you wanted to run them as a turn signal, you would tap into the flasher wire with your yellow one, and you'd have to do that on each side. So you would need more wire. That's another thing. I don't really want to run a whole bunch of wires. So I can run just this one wire, each side, boom, done, have white halos and projector headlights. That's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so we've got both of these installed. I will be honest with y'all, I don't really like how these fit, because I have 2 other sets of Jeep JK headlights here, and these don't go, whenever you swap yours, there's notches right here, and I think you could take a Dremel and Dremel just a little bit of the plastic. That literally wouldn't affect anything, but I just didn't feel like doing it. I think you could Dremel some of the plastic and these would sit in there even better. Now, they're in there solid and they're not going anywhere, so it's not like they're the wrong lights or anything. They just don't really, the notches don't line up perfectly, and the back side of the headlight is like kind of big. So I think it just kind of hits. So I've got the anti-flicker harnesses and the conversion harnesses in behind there. I went ahead and ran this wire just along through here, and then I put a zip tie on there. I just kind of twirled it around. The grill will cover that and you won't be able to see it. And I tapped into that right here. I used a T-tap and then put some electrical tape over that, so hopefully it's decently waterproof. I also used some dielectric grease on all of the harnesses. Make sure you use dielectric grease, especially if you plan on wheeling any at all. You're going to be pressure washing and cleaning everything. So I used dielectric grease on everything. And now we have halos for parking lots, and then we also have projector headlights. So we'll go ahead and turn those on right quick. I'll also show you at nighttime here in just a second, but I just want to show you the halos right quick. So there's the halos. They are really bright, but that is no projector. That is just the halo. And whenever I step back, like I said, it kind of blinds the camera because they are super bright. Fast forward, it's going to be dark out, and I'll show you guys how bright these things are. As you can see, that actually looks crazy on camera. But as you all can see, the halos are super bright and they look good. And we're going to go ahead and fast forward to nighttime, and we'll get to see if they're brighter than factory headlights with LED bulbs put in them, or if they're about the same. Woohoo! Alright, it is nighttime now. Same day, we just now got these on. I've not got to see them at nighttime yet. I have got to see the halos. I just now fired them up because I was kind of excited. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and go for a little drive and see what they look like, and then we will get the halos on and show them to you guys. Okay, so this is without fog lights. This is the LED factory Mart headlights only. Now I do have them just a hair too high. Whenever I aimed them in the garage, I guess I didn't aim them low enough. I put them a little bit lower than I thought they should be, and apparently I was way off. So easy to adjust, but I mean, you can see the cutoff right here. It would normally be, this cutoff would be a little bit lower, and then obviously the top cutoff, so you're not blinding other drivers, would be a little bit lower as well. But I mean, you can see how bright they are. These are definitely brighter than the LED headlights in the factory housings, which is to be expected because these are projectors. But right there you can kind of see the cutoff. Like I said, I thought that I had it low enough, but I don't guess I do. But the cutoff is super nice, super even. Cutoff would normally be a little bit lower and closer to the vehicle, but you can see that they're super, super bright. And that's all on low beam. Like everything that you just seen was low beam. Here is high beam. So it gets a lot brighter right in the middle. Goes up probably another 3 or 4 feet. And definitely throws light a lot further. And then right here is with fog lights. So right there is the last fit fog lights. Definitely super bright. So here is no lights on. It is dark out, but there's no lights on the vehicle. And I'm going to turn on just the halos. So see, just the halos gives you quite a bit of light. Like you could literally drive around with just the halos and maybe even your fog lights on. Look at this, guys. I don't know if the camera's doing it any justice, but it's actually insanely bright. They look awesome. They look so good. And the orange is just as bright. So after seeing these at nighttime, I think I may actually go back in there and wire up the flasher wire to these right here, to where when those would blink as a turn signal, and this halo is actually switchback, so it turns orange. So it would be this bright, except it would be your turn signal. And I think that would be so awesome. But you can see literally, like, look how bright these are. But I mean, look, whenever I walk away, the camera literally thinks that the headlights are on. Like, look how bright those are. Look at my shadow. I don't know what is going on the interstate over here. There's literally police car, police car, police car. Here comes another police car. I don't know if they've had a pursuit or what, but everybody on the interstate is going so slow. And there's like 20 police cars everywhere. And there's like a bunch of people walking. It kind of looks like somebody's got 5 stars on GTA over there. I'm not gonna lie.
I love you.
I love you. What do you think about the new headlights? Are they really bright?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, I'll turn them on. Whoa. Are they bright?
And more.
You want them to be even brighter?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the high beams. Are you ready?
Yeah. And that's diamonds.
Yep, that's high beams. Are they bright?
Yeah.
Here it is from the driver's seat. Super awesome. All right. Okay, I'll turn them on here in a second. Okay, so huge shout out to LED Factor Mart for sending these headlights out for me to try. We'll see if they hold up good. I'll try to keep the description box. So if you're watching this video a couple years from now, check the description box. I'll let you guys know if they went out after a month or if they held up really good or what. They seem like really, really good quality. So hopefully they last, because I really, really like them a lot, and they're super bright. And I'm definitely going to leave these in here. I absolutely love them. I may do another video in the future, so make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And stay tuned. Comment if you guys want me to do another video on hooking up the turn signals to the halos, and just let me know what y'all think. I think they look really, really good, and I'm super happy. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.